Hi everyone, I'm Ralph. Today let me introduce our new product, the floating cart. This item including the structure here, 4 wheels, metal basket, and another top basket and the flames. Here's the wooden pot tabletop. Step 1, put the wheels on. Step 2, put the metal basket on. On. Step 3, put the top basket on. This is a wood tabletop on the surface. And if you need it, it could be a side table for your sofa, for tea and coffee. We can customize any color or any design you wanted. New business for 2025. Welcome. We can customize any color or design you wanted. We have now silver, black, and white, or any color you want. And considering this a new business for 2025, you are welcome.